Hello, my name is David Soto. I am from La Habra, California, and I am presenting today my version of our team activity, which was an alarm clock. So today I would like to present to you a summary of the process that we took in this journey towards creating a better alarm clock for ASU students, parents, and faculty. What we felt were the customer needs. We will touch on a few of the features and benefits of this new alarm clock, and we'll talk a little bit about our business model ideas. A little bit of the alarm clock, an overview of the pain points that we found. Um, we found that we researched the major problem that still exists between students and time within the organization. 40% of students, as we found in some of our research, are late for class and test on a consistent basis, meaning that at some point in their college education, everyone is late or misses, a class or two, or even more critically, a test, or in my case, an assignment. I know that I have woken up late several times, and an innovation like this would definitely come in handy, especially with some of the feature sets that we imagine this type of product to have. We also took into consideration other feature sets as um, portability and how it would be related to the environment in a long-term basis. I think most students these days are very conscious of how we're filling our landfills or how we're using up our resources. So it being eco-friendly was also very much important to our group. Um, in order to figure out what exactly we were going to create, we needed to do some type of customer needs assessment. Um, and the way went about this was, not only just hitting the pavement, so to speak, and having each of us interview people that we felt might have this same type of experience, but we also went through a very enlightening process that the class taught us. One of those was creating a customer selection matrix, which I personally felt was an eye-opening experience as to how to properly put to pen and pencil something concrete that you can visually see, where your needs and assessments are. And as you can tell by this matrix, we took a lot into consideration, including purpose, uh, who were our customers, including future uses, the college, retail, manufacturers. We took into account the physical aspect of the alarm clock, and even aesthetics and emotion, how the user was going to respond aesthetically, and were they going to like the product? It's something that have enough of a wow factor for them to continue to use the product. Another very important tool that we utilized was a mind map. Um, Again, something that gave us a very visual representation of where our thoughts were, and what we felt was important as a feature set to this alarm clock. The alarm clock, we went on to the prototype phase, and we came up with several designs. As you can see, this is a sound. We felt that a portable unit was important to explore. We had a square tabletop, a stopwatch type, and kind of a hybrid of those was a portable and desktop with a removable plug and stand that could function as both something that you can pick up and go, or just put on your nightstand on a nightly basis. Something that was important for us to do was technology modeling in order to create an estimation of value in relation to the cost of materials with our concepts. we first had to make rough sketches of our 5 concepts, as you just saw. This ensured that we all were on the same page about what each component looked like. From there, we all decided what dimensions each concept would be. Next, we had to decide what kind of material to use for our concepts and came up with a very dense plastic polyethylene. We researched and discovered that the density of the high density polyethylene HDPE that we felt was strong enough for wear and tear for our prototypes would have to endure was about a 0.97 grams per centimeter cubed. As you can see here in this graph, we laid out each one of our single concepts by these dimensions and volume and came up with what we felt was the best selection, and based on that design weight we rated them 1 through 5 just for this pure concept of weight. Of course, you know, if we were to take this further into detail, we would have to do this type of selection matrix for each one of the feature sets we felt were most important. To talk about benefits, again, our most useful tool was using the mind map. From here, we could ascertain that the biggest benefits for our consumers, students, parents, and faculty, would be, collaboration. We felt that beyond just being an alarm clock, it needed to have some added value so that the students would want to have this. It would be something that they needed. So we felt that including things like social media, calendars, being able to interface it online, having parent involvement, faculty involvement, and really a 360-degree collaboration tool would then provide ASU students something of great value to them that would in long term not only help them but help the university with their ADA requirements and getting people into class and completing courses more efficiently. We also felt that one of those major key things would be for ASU to be first to market and brand this, and this be something great for ASU as a whole. As I said, the major benefits: parent involvement, student attendance, a collaboration rule, and just overall being connected. And with the inclusion of social media and MP3, we felt that was enough of a wow factor for enjoy. Well, in summary, we went over the customer needs, our feature set, and benefits. Overall, I think this was a great experience for me and my team, even though our team dissolved at the end a little bit. I think I'm taking with me some great tools in class, and I thank you very much for the experience. Thank you.